how to add HTML in your Wix website. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to add HTML to your Wix website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it's the foundation of every website you see on the internet. Wix makes it easy for you to add HTML code to your website. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is to sign up for a Wix account, and after the initial sign up you will be brought to my site, and from here create new site. So I'm going to choose any of these templates because it's really not important for today's video, so I'll choose this one. Now this is our home page and I'll make changes accordingly. Now let's move to the most important part, which is click on the pages and menu section over here, and then from here add a page. Now select blank page. Now I'm going to embed my code on this page, so click on add elements and down over here embed code and embed HTML, and click on this plus icon over here, and this little box will appear, so click on enter code and paste your code here. I am pasting HTML code for bookings website which I have generated through reliable sources, and now update. And here is my website, so resize it accordingly. After you have added your HTML code, you should preview your changes to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. To do this, click on this preview button over here, and if everything looks good, you can publish your changes by clicking on this publish button. So our site is live, and by following these steps, you can add custom HTML code to your website and make it look and function exactly the way you want it to. And it is possible to embed code into Wix website using the Wix code feature. However, Wix does not provide the ability to host an entire website built with custom code. If you want to host a website built with custom code, you will need to use a different hosting service that supports the programming languages and framework you use to build your website, and one of them is Bluehost. With Bluehost, you get reliable web hosting services that come packed with a ton of features to help you get your website up and running quickly and easily. Whether you are an experienced webmaster or just starting out, Bluehost has everything you need to build, launch, and manage your website with ease. And if you go through our links, then you can get a special discount too. So check the link in the description of this video. Hope you guys find this helpful, and if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.